Welcome back, everybody. Merry Christmas Eve, especially to all you Latino crypto brothers and sisters out there. I want to do a really quick announcement for anybody that's in crypto, guys. Ethereum fees are going through the roof right now, and a lot of people are migrating over to Pulse Chain, where the fees are, let's see, 6,834x cheaper than Ethereum and 28,000x cheaper than Bitcoin. So basically what's happening in crypto right now is that everybody's getting eaten alive by gas fees. Nobody can do anything on the Ethereum blockchain, and there's better alternatives, and Pulse Chain is one of them. And guess what? They're giving away 1,000 free PLS to anybody that uses the bridge at all. So it's really easy. All you got to do is go to bridge.pulsechain.com, bridge over anything you want, bridge over Ethereum. Most likely you want to bridge over ETH because you can trade ETH for Pulse directly. And as soon as you get past the bridge, you're going to have 1,000 free PLS in your wallet. Just automatically, you don't have to do anything at all. So here's a little fun fact. Here's a website called pulsecoinlist.com. We've actually got our own coin ranking site as well. You can see people have donated over 14 million Pulse to the current bot balance. So this is going to go on forever, and people are just going to keep donating as long as they've got, a little bit of the Christmas spirit or whatever. It doesn't take much to fund everybody that bridges over with their initial 1,000 PLS, and that's what's going to get you your first gas transaction. So you don't need to do anything else. You don't need to worry about buying PLS from some other website. Just bridge it right over. Again, that's bridge.pulsechain.com. We can go to the bridge right here, guys. Bridge.pulsechain.com. You can see I misspelled it. I'm just going to click on this link. And then if you're not familiar with this already, it's very self-explanatory. Check out all my previous videos. You either download it locally on your Mac if you got a Mac, Windows if you got a Windows. I'm assuming most of you don't have Linux. And then IPFS. You can just also click this link. This is the decentralized internet. So when you're on the bridge website, you click on the link. You go to the bridge. It looks like almost every other bridge. So, what a lot of people are doing that's even easier than it used to be is they're taking their Ethereum, okay? They're taking their Ethereum on the Ethereum blockchain right here. They're going to select Ether, right? And let's say you've got one Ether over here and you want to bridge over one Ether. Well, not only are there 0% bridge fees, that's a big deal too, guys. Look at this 0%. So, it's the giving season. Bridges are free, gas is free. And on top of all that, after you connect your wallet, you got to wait about 30 minutes for your transaction to bridge over into Pulse Chain. You get 1,000 free Pulse. And on top of that, if you want even more free Pulse, after you make your first bridge, you can hop over to thisisgopulse.com, all right? Now you can go up here to the top where it says apps, you click on Faucet, Faucet's right here. They've got their own faucet, it gives you even more free PLS, 10,000 free PLS. Back in the day in 2010, there was a Bitcoin faucet, fun fact, it gave out 5 Bitcoin for free. Now can you imagine where Pulse Chain was going to be in 10 years? I'm not saying that it's going to do the same thing that Bitcoin did, but 10,000 free PLS, what if Pulse Chain hits $1 in 10 years? And be like giving out $10,000 just like those old Bitcoin guys back in the day. So it wouldn't hurt to also just claim 10,000 free PLS. If you want a little bit more free gas money, you connect your wallet here, and then it's going to show you the criteria. So you have to have actually made a bridge, you have to have an empty wallet, and have never claimed the PLS before, but that's what's going to get you 10,000 PLS, and you could do that with any other wallet as well. So let's just recap what's going on for Christmas. This is Christmas Eve. People need to get out of the high gas fee environment. People are getting destroyed, annihilated. Let's go back to GoPulse just to show you guys. We'll show you guys the gas statistics one more time. Look, Ethereum costs $12 to swap. Pulse Chain costs 0.2 of a penny to swap. It doesn't really get much more self-explanatory than that. Go where you're treated better. Go to the country where you're treated best. Go to the network, the blockchain where you're treated best. We've got tons of other DeFi stuff. I'll be making videos all about that in the next coming days. Tons of real DeFi products coming to Pulse Chain every day. We've got a ton that already exists on Pulse Chain, and it's a thriving ecosystem community. So if you're stuck on the Ethereum blockchain and you've wanted to get on the Pulse Chain network, now is your time. 0% gas fees, 1,000 free PLS just for using the bridge, 10,000 extra free PLS if you want to use the faucet up here. It doesn't get any better than that, guys. It does not get any better than that, but there's so much more to be excited about, so stay tuned, like, subscribe, share the video, leave a comment. We're going to make sure this Bridge Buddy bot, that's what they're calling it, the Bridge Buddy bot that's giving everybody free PLS. Let's make sure this stays topped up with gas fees, all right? Right now, this can basically fund 14 million divided by 1,000. This can fund the next 14,000 people that bridge over. And I can chuck in 1 million Pulse at any time, and guess what? That funds another 1,000 people. So for every 1 million Pulse that you fund with this bridge, or that you actually donate to the Bridge Buddy bot, you can donate right down here if you want to. But if you're a new user, just take the free Pulse. If you're, maybe a whale or an OG, consider, maybe chucking in a little bit. 1 million Pulse right now, that's what, $65? That can basically pay for the next 1,000 users coming on. So we've got 14,000 people worth of PLS to fund right here. And just get excited for the future, guys. I hope everybody's having a good holiday, spending time with your friends and family, loved ones. And I hope you all get what you want for Christmas. I want mad gains. I want some green pumps, some candles. All right. So I hope we all get that in 2024. Really bullish on 2024, guys. Bitcoin halving, Fed cutting rates, Bitcoin ETF, maybe Ethereum ETF, election year. There's so much macro bullish, and then there's so much micro bullish when you focus on what's going on in the Pulse Chain community, guys. This is where the action is happening. So don't miss out. Check out pulsechain.com. Check out bridge.pulsechain.com. Get your free pulse. I'll see you on the next video.